Okay, everybody, welcome to this tutorial. Today we're gonna do a quick overview how to make money on using the Amazon Influencer program. And there are a million of tips and a lot of tutorials. It gets very complicated. We'll just go on easy overview. So first, you need to sign up with the Amazon Influencer program if you already did. Then that's great. And for people that didn't do it yet, they need to sign up, fill up the form, submit the 3 videos. Amazon is going to review these videos. These videos are reviews of Amazon products. And when they approve, then you can make money from Amazon. Then making money on Amazon, there are 2 ways. One is through the regular affiliate links. And this is my okay, this one is just one part. And actually, these are the links that you put on YouTube, on your social, and somebody click it, they go to Amazon and they purchase something. So actually, I don't have a lot of going on here because it's much harder to find a person that watch your YouTube video and then go in the description and click it. Sometimes it's easier from the blog. So if you have a blog, it's much better. If you have YouTube, you can put in the description. So this one, for the last 30 days, I just made $45. Also, you can view by date what the person clicked. So they click this one and click that one. Okay. So one way to make money from Amazon is from the links. So these links can be in your YouTube, on your social, that. Then there is the other cool part that Amazon allow to do. So let's go to Amazon. And after you sign up, you can create your store, basically on Amazon, where all your videos will be placed. And this is going to be the second part, how to make money on Amazon. Basically, you don't upload the video on YouTube, you upload the video on Amazon. So when people, let's say yesterday I did this review for this very cool video camera. So detail. So when people go to find a product on Amazon, let's say some people search this one here, they're gonna see their photo, blah blah, description. But if they click video, there's gonna be the video from the brand, there's gonna be the review, and then there's gonna be the influencer video. My video is, I guess, is still under pending, but eventually it will be right there. If there are too many influencers, maybe your video will not be there. It can be at the bottom. So there is another called carousel here. No, because this product actually is is very new, so it doesn't have any influencer. Let's look at another one. Okay, let's see. Let's go back to my storefront. All right. So let's say last week I did this product. So let's say, for example, some people search for this infrared visor or visor, then they click there, and then here you can see my video is right there. So if people search for this product, go here, look at my video, my review video, and buy the product. So you watch the video, okay, great, blah blah blah. Then they close it and they purchase the product. I make money. So you can see that you have a lot of much easier audience going to the product and clicking your video than going find the product on YouTube, on the blog. So in fact, I make a lot more money, like probably 10 times more than I do on just from my blog. However, if you have a very popular blog, then yes, you can make a lot of money from there. But if your blog or your YouTube is not very popular, that's a better chance to get money. So, said that, there is a third way to make money on Amazon, and it's through the Create Connection. Create Connection is even better opportunity to make a lot of money because Amazon, for most of the product, let me refresh this page. At the top, it shows you the rate. So if someone buy this product, I get the 3%. That's it. But as you can see, the create connection, it gives you 10%. What is the create connection? Create connection is a promotion. The brand is not Amazon. The brand decide to give to people the influencer. So it's a promotion, it's an extra money the brand wants to give you if you make a video. So in this case, it's 10.10%. I don't know why they did 10.10, but 10.10%. So if someone buys this product, I get $13. And from Amazon, the 3%, which is about $5. It's super great. So you have 3 ways to make money from Amazon. From your blog, and these links is called off-site links. Then there is from a regular commission, and then there is the create connection. The create connection have several badge, several tiers, and you can view it from, let me see, I will talk about. When you get accepted, you have a bronze. Then it goes to silver, then you go to gold, and you go to platinum. Platinum is the top, and usually when you get platinum, the brand sends you all kind of stuff. Even item they can cost $1,000. I'm currently on my gold. So I'm working from get my platinum. I'm 300 points over 1,000. I just recently reached the gold, but I still have time. I think I by December 31st I could reach platinum, and then we'll see what happens. Also here explain you the tiers, what the benefits are in the tiers. Eligible creators, start with that. You go there, then you go this one, and platinum give you a lot of stuff. All right, so 3 ways to do it. Create connection. You have all kind of brands, blah 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 blah. Let's say you find something that you like it. Now we're gonna explain also to make money, because as first when I started, I email all the brand, and you can email them from a little tool over there, from the messages here. I email everybody and I say, hey, can you give me a sample and make a review? All kind of stuff. But in the end, I realized that, yeah, I got the stuff that I wanted, but this product was not making me any money, because nobody buys, or there are too many of that, or there are too many influencers doing that. But let's start with the first point. So let's say you find this cordless vacuum. You can see the rate is 12%. You can click it. You can view the campaign, blah, blah, blah. I usually don't read too much that. And then I go in the little icon there and I say, let me see. From here. That is when you brand respond, you go there. So you go here and you say, hey, I will make a review. Can you offer free sample? Then because you maybe just started, a lot of brands, they don't send you stuff right away. But you can also promote. You see, my blog have so many viewers, and I have so many subscriptions on YouTube. And to me, at first they sent me a lot of stuff. I received like every week, like at least 50 products, all for free. Now I'm starting to look more if okay, the product, I want this product, but I also want to make money. In the work, we're gonna talk about this one maybe in the next video, because otherwise it's getting too long. But again, you go here, you look at product that you like. Let's say I want this for Halloween. You can also search it here. Halloween. I always go here because I want to see. I want to buy stuff. So say, oh yeah, this one I like it. Click it, and then I can click the Amazon link and see it. Okay, yeah, cool. And then I go here, message the brand. Hey, I do review. Actually right now I'm saying I'm a gold badge, gold influencer. Can you send me a sample? And Not every time, but I get a lot of response. Look at that. I have thousands of response, and most of them are, yeah, they send they send the sample, even though here it says, will sample provide by the brand? No, I don't know why they say. Oh, everybody says that. Maybe it's a feature required by Amazon, but most of the people send samples. So you get the product, you make a review. I posted on YouTube. I posted my YouTube. It's here. You can go check how I do reviews, like that. That's all my review. I have this channel was doing other stuff. I just convert just to make reviews. I don't have a lot of views for most of them. Some they do more, like 1300 views. This the short you can make a lot of reviews with short very easily. That's it. Then I also post on my blog. I also converted my blog just posting the review, and I'm using a little script to pull from YouTube, so I don't have to do basically anything except importing and publish. So very good. So here another opportunity to get people clicking the links. So if people click the links, go to the product page. Also, the beauty of Amazon, super beauty, and you can make money also if people don't buy this product. Let's say somebody click from the blog or click here and click there. They get to this product. Oh, they say, no, but I don't like this one. But look at this one. It's much cooler. Because they click your link to start the shopping, you can get money even from this product. And if this product has a campaign, you can get money too. So it's really cool. I would just want to introduce you about this plugin that you can check it out. You can sign up for free. You can download an extension. We're going to talk about this later because the video is getting too long, but I use it. And this one will help you to find the best product, to ask the brand to facilitate all the asking and responding, and it's very cool. This one is the best software. You can go check it out. I will put the link in the description. But that's it. It's just an overview there are actually 4 different ways to make money. So offline, online with the video, Halo links, which is when people go to the website, go to the website, click a link, go to Amazon. They don't buy the Amazon you promote; they buy something else, and you still get money, and that's called Halo links. And then they create a connection. So there are actually 4 ways. Plus, you have the product, so that's another way to make money. Plus, you can sell the product on Facebook and you can make money. So you have actually 6 ways to make money on Amazon. And in the end, only thing you need to spend is the time. Everything else is all free. So I think this business is great. But make sure to subscribe my channels because I'm gonna make more reviews on this one and tip and tricks. All right, that's all for this review. See you next time. Bye bye. No, actually, tutorial. See you next time. Bye bye.